Very good evening, 11th standard students. Hope you are all safe. I believe that everyone is really safe. And in last week, we discussed about straight lines. In fact, we are in 6th chapter. Chapter name is two-dimensional analytical geometry. And chapter 6, in this class, we are going to complete chapter 6 by seeing last few problems. And before this, we discussed about various types of equations of straight line, and also we discussed about pair of straight lines and a general equation of pair of straight lines, sum of slopes and product of slopes of pair of straight lines. These are the things we discussed, and we did problems based on it. Continuing with that problem, in this class we are going to complete chapter number 6. Problem number 37. In triangle OPQ, a triangle OPQ is formed by the pair of straight lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. A triangle OPQ, this is just see the diagram. A triangle OPQ is formed by a pair of straight lines given by the equation x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 and the line PQ. So these two, OP and OQ, are the pair of straight lines. PQ is the third side. The equation of PQ is x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So the third side's equation is given to us, that is x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Question asked to us is find the equation of the median of the triangle OPQ drawn from the origin O. So this O is nothing but origin. This is called origin, so 0, 0. Try to understand the meaning. This is origin 0, 0. OP and OQ are nothing but pair of straight lines. PQ is the third side whose equation is given like this. The pair of straight lines OP and OQ together is given in the equation format as x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0. So these two are given to us. So combined equation of this and this is given here, and the third equation is present here. So what I am going to do is, before going into the answer, first we will see what is the question asked. Find the equation of the median from O. So this is O. What is mean by median? Median is a straight line drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. This is the O is the vertex. From O we are drawing a median. It is a straight line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. What is the opposite side? Opposite side in this diagram, PQ. Opposite side for the point O is PQ. M is called as midpoint of PQ. So the line joining OM is called median from the point O. So we need to find the equation of OM. That is the question. So first we need to understand what we are finding out. Again I am telling, we need to find equation of median. Median means what? Straight line drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So we are marking M as what? Midpoint of PQ. So already if we want to find equation of OM, straight line, we know O is nothing but 0, 0. So here my aim is to find what is M. If I able to find the coordinates of M, then I can use 2 points formula to calculate equation of the line OM, which is called median. Hope you will understand. So how we are starting with, this is nothing but combined equation of these two. What is this? Equation of PQ. Yes or no? Equation of PQ. From this I am going to find out y. Y is equal to, take minus 2 and plus x to other side, 2 minus x. So we are giving the numbers as 1, 2 and 3. Now I am going to substitute this third equation in first equation. So x square minus 4x, in place of y I am going to substitute 2 minus x. In place of y put 2 minus x whole square equal to 0. Simplify this. How to simplify? Use a minus b whole square formula, and here bring 4x inside the bracket and you will get this line. Again simplify by combining the terms 4x square, x square, x square. Combinedly we are writing 6x square. Combining x terms, minus 8 minus 4 minus 12x. Constant is 4 equal to 0. First I tried to factorize this. 4 6 are 24 should come. Actually I've written it as 6. What should come here? But after this I am dividing this entire equation by 2, so we will get this. So 2 into 3 is 6. I tried to factorize but I could not find numbers. So I am going for the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a well-known formula in 10th standard to find what? Solution of a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation which cannot be factorized like this. So I am using this formula method. What is a value here? I'll write the a value here. A is equal to what? 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. Yes or no? Ax square plus bx plus c. A value is 3, b is minus 6, c is 2. So use this formula, substitute the values, and you will get like this. How 2 root 3 means 36 minus 24. The value will be root 12 will come. So root 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 is taken outside the root, 2 root 3. So that is why 36 minus 24 root 12 is written as 2 root 3 because of this. Now separate this into two parts. 6 by 6, 1. If we divide these two, 6 will get cancelled. It will come like this. So multiply and divide by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 3 will get cancelled. So 1 by root 3. So from this to this, how we are getting? Root 3 by root 3. We are doing this. Root 3 into root 3, 3 gets cancelled. Denominator 1 root 3 will be present. So how many values that we are having for x? Two values. One is 1 plus 1 by root 3. Other one is 1 minus 1 by root 3. Two values are there for x. So what I have to do is, I need to find y value. Yes or no? So substitute these two values in third equation. Third equation is nothing but y. Y is equal to 2 minus x. Substitute x values in this equation. That is the next line. Now see, substitute x is equal to, first take plus, then take minus. Substituting in third equation, y is equal to 2 minus x means change the symbols of this and write. So you will be getting 1 minus 1 by root 3. Similarly, substitute this also in the same equation, third equation. 2 minus x means I have to change the symbol, minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 by root 3. So I have found out the points of P and Q are. What we are doing now? We are solving the two equations. Just I'll show the previous page. Actually what we are doing, we are solving this equation and this line so that we get point of intersection P, because this equation represents both lines, two lines, OP and OQ. So when we solve this and this, we will get the point of intersection P. Similarly, when we solve this and this, the point of intersection is Q. That is what we are doing here. We are solving these two equations. What is the meaning? We are finding out the point of intersections P and Q. So the answers that we get finally are nothing but the points P and Q. So you just see, therefore the points P and Q are, the point P is given by 1 plus 1 by root 3, comma 1 minus 1. That is x value, y value. Another set of point is Q. 1 minus 1 by root 3, comma 1 plus 1 by root 3. Now I'll just draw the diagram once again here. So this is the diagram actually. The diagram looks like this. OAB. This is O, right? This is P and this is Q. OPQ is the triangle. We are drawing a median from this point. This is called M. M is the midpoint of PQ. Now we have found out what is P. This is the point P and the point Q is given by this. So M is what? Midpoint of PQ. So use midpoint formula. Midpoint of PQ is, what is midpoint formula? That I'll write here. M is equal to, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is nothing but our midpoint formula. Using that, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x1 plus x2, when I add the two x coordinates, what happens? Minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 by 2. Similarly, y1 plus y2 means 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 cancels. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. 1 comma 1 is nothing but the point M. So ultimately our aim is to find this point M, because we already know O, origin 0, 0. Now we know the point M, 1, 1. What is OM? Median. So equation of median OM is given by 2 points formula. What is 2-point formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. What is x1, y1? The first point, 0, 0. M is the second point, 1, 1. Substitute and get the answer as x minus y equal to 0 is nothing but equation of this median. Again I tell, median means it is a straight line drawn from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. We will see the next sum. Problem number 38. Find k. Find k if the following equation, this equation represents a pair of straight lines. Further, find whether the lines are parallel or intersecting. I repeat, find the k value if this equation is pair of straight lines. Further, find out whether the two lines are parallel or intersecting. So what I am doing is first writing the given equation, the given question, and writing the general second degree equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. If you are following the classes regularly, you should know this. This is general second degree equation. By comparing these two, we are writing a value is 12, this is 2h is 7, h is 7 by 2, b value minus 12, 2g equal to minus, just comparing the coefficients, nothing else. 2g equal to minus 1, g value is minus 1 by 2, 2f7, f value 7 by 2, and c is equal to k. I'm writing all these 6 values. Now what is given in the question? This line, this equation represents pair of straight lines. They have given it. So since it represents a pair of straight lines, what is the condition for pair of straight line? ABC plus 2FGH minus A into F square minus B into G square minus C into H square equal to 0. Substitute all the values and put equal to 0. Why? Because they themselves are given it is a pair of straight line. So we can take the answer as 0. Simplifying this, we will be getting minus 144k. Here 1, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 7 into 7, 49 with minus symbol. So minus 49 by 4. 1, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here what I am doing is, by simplifying this, you will be getting minus 144k, right? And again, I am just writing this term, minus 49k by 4. So this term and this term is written in the same side. These terms, 1 and 2, 3 terms are taken to other side. So if you see here, minus 49 by 4 comes here. So it is taken to other side and written as 49 by 4. Similarly, cancelling 4 and 12, 3 into 49 is 147 with minus symbol. Going to other side, plus 147. Cancelling, plus 3 comes here. So other side, minus 3. When I subtract these two, 144. Yes or no? 147 minus 3. Similarly, and here, taking k as common from these two, you will get this. And this is 144 and 49 by 4. From this, minus sign is again taken outside. So you will get this. This is written as it is. Now see, they are equal. So I am cancelling this on both sides. 1 will be present. If I cancel, 1 will be present here. And multiplying by minus sign, k will become plus, 1 will become minus 1. So k value is minus 1. That is the first question. Find k. K value is minus 1. Also, they have asked us to further find whether the lines are parallel or intersecting. Now what I am seeing from the given question, I am seeing this a is 12, b is minus 12. So I am adding those two, a plus b. 12 minus 12, answer is 0. If a plus b is 0, what is the meaning? The lines are perpendicular, yes or no? Perpendicular means definitely the lines are intersecting. So finally the second question we are answering, the lines are intersecting. They are not parallel, the lines are intersecting. In fact, to say it in more precise, they are perpendicular because the value becomes 0. So what is the answer for the second question? The lines are intersecting. Going for the next sum. Problem number 39. find P and Q if the one equation is given represents a pair of perpendicular lines, and they themselves have given this represents pair of perpendicular lines. We need to find two values, P value and Q value, where P lies in y square coefficient, Q means it is a coefficient of y. So as usual, we will first write the question and we will write the general second degree equation. Then we will compare these two and write all the 6 values: A, 2H, B, 2G, 2F, C. 2H means we can find H, G and F. So just see how it is by comparing these two. Now it is given that the lines are perpendicular lines. What is the condition for perpendicular lines? A plus B equal to 0. In fact, even in the last sum we have seen A plus B 0 means the lines are perpendicular. Here they have given lines are perpendicular, so we are taking A plus B is 0. A value is 6, B value is minus P. So 6 minus P is 0. From that easily we are getting P value as 6. So still one more value we need to find, it is Q value, right? Now since the lines are pair of straight lines, they have given the equation represents pair of perpendicular lines, which means they are pair of two lines. So it represents pair of straight lines. The condition is ABC plus 2FGH minus AIF square BG square CH square equal to 0. This should be famous condition for you because almost in all the problems we are seeing this condition. Substituting all the values here, A value, B value, C value, 2FGH minus A, this is F square value, minus B, B is minus P, so it becomes plus. So B G square plus, minus C value is again minus 5, so it becomes plus 5 into H square. H is 5 by 2, so H square is 25 by 4. Now what we are doing, just simplifying. 6 into 5 30, minus into minus plus 30p. So cancelling this, 7 into 5 35q by 4, 6q square by 4, 49p by 4, 5 into 25 125 by 4 equal to 0. Now q square term is taken to other side. That is, if I cancel this, what happens? 3 by 2 will come with minus, going to other side, plus 3 by 2 q square. 35q by 4 going to other side, minus 35q by 4. So this remains in the same side. P value we found out as 6. So 30 into 6 is 180 plus 49. P value is 6 by 4 plus 125 by 4. So what we are doing, only the two q terms is taken to other side. All the three remaining in the same side. P value is 6, we have substituted. In the next line we are going to simplify this further. So these are all nothing but simplifications, just multiplying and writing the values like this and keeping the same and just combining these two because denominators are same, adding the numerators and multiplying all the terms by 4. Each and every term is multiplied by 4. So when I put 4, 2 and 4 will get cancelled, 2 3s are 6 will come. Similarly you will get this. So we are getting a quadratic equation. The formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Applying in that formula, we are getting this answer. You just verify yourself all the calculations. Even you can just refer whether it is correct or not. Multiplying all the three, we are getting minus into minus plus. So multiplying 3 and adding with this, we are getting this answer. When we take square root for this, answer is 169. Since plus or minus symbol is present, two answers will be there. One is plus, one is minus. So we are getting two values. One, if I divide this, answer is 17. When we cancel this in two tables, this will come. So they've asked us to find P and Q. For Q we got two values and P value is 6. These are all simple sums only. Simplifications you should work it out. I have just written the simplifications. You just check it whether it is correct or not by doing by yourself. Problem number 40. Show that one equation was given to us represents a pair of parallel lines. So we need to prove that this equation represents pair of parallel lines. So what I have to do? Another question is also asked, represents a pair of parallel lines. Second question is find the distance between them. Also we need to find what is the distance between the two lines. I'll repeat the question. Show that this equation represents a pair of parallel lines. Also, we need to find the distance between them. So usually what we'll do, first write the entire question, then you write the general second degree equation, compare these two and write all the 6 values. A is 9, 2h minus 24, cancelling h is minus 12, b value 16, 2g value is minus 12, cancelling g is minus 6, 2f 16, cancelling f is 8, and finally c value is minus 12. So we are writing all the 6 terms by comparing it with general second degree equation. Okay, now I am going to check whether it is parallel lines or not. What is the condition for parallel line? H square minus AB, the value should become 0. H square, what is H? You just go through, minus 12, squaring 144, minus A value is 9, B value is 16. Multiplying 9 and 16, 144. So answer is 0. Since value is 0, we are writing the given pair of this given equation represents a pair of parallel lines. So one part is over. Other part is we need to find the distance between the two lines, distance between the parallel lines. So for this, we know the formula actually. Distance between parallel lines is given by modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. But we need separate equations for that. We need what are the two separate equations of those two lines. Here we are having an equation, but it is nothing but combined equation of two lines. But to find the distance, we need separate equations. So to find distance, first I am going to find out the separate equations of the pair of straight lines. So what is the step? Out of this full equation, first take only 3 terms. We did this even in the previous class also. First take the 3 terms. Try to factorize this. How to factorize? 16 into 9, 144. It is splitted as minus 12 minus 12. Multiplying 144, combining will get minus 24. Since 9 is present before, divide the two numbers by 9. Cancelling will get 4 by 3 with minus symbol. Minus 4 by 3. So how to write? Denominator means you join x, 3x. Minus 4 join y, minus 4y. Same thing here also, 3x minus 4y. Now you take the full equation. The full equation is now taken as, that is the given question, full question is now taken, and this first factor is written with one constant, second factor is written with another constant, L and M. So to find the separate equations, we need to find what is L and what is M. This concept we have discussed already in a problem. We know how to find separate equations from the combined equation. That is what we are doing here. First take the 3 terms, factorize. Take the full equation using these 2 terms, add one more constants with each bracket so that this becomes separate equations if we find L and M. So our next aim is to find L and M. So what we will do, equating the coefficient of x term and y term. If you see what is coefficient of x? Minus 12. What is coefficient of x in this? When 3x taken to m, coefficient is 3m. Similarly, when L is taken to 3L. So 3m plus 3L is equal to minus 12. Similarly, we are going to equate coefficient of y. 16 is equal to, when this and this multiplied, minus 4m will come. This and this gets multiplied, minus 4L comes. Similarly, when I equate constant term, what happens? Constant term in the left hand side is minus 12. Constant term in the right hand side is LM, right? Only here we will get a constant term, L into M. These are the things that I am going to write in the next 3 lines. Now see, equating the coefficient of x and y terms, we will get these 2 equations, 1 and 2. But by solving these 2, we are going to get nothing, because when I change the symbol, both will get cancelled. So I cannot find out. That is why here I am also adding one more step called equating constant term. So we are getting minus 12 is equal to LM. From L is taking M to other side, you will get this. So substitute this in any one of these 2. We are substituting in 1. So M, in place of L you put minus 12 by M equal to minus 4. cross multiplying you will get this. So simplifying you will get a quadratic equation. Cross multi, that is factorize, minus 12 is splitted like this. So m plus 6, m minus 2. Two values for m. One is minus 6, other one is 2. Substitute m value in either first or second or even in this. I am using first equation. So substitute m is equal to minus 6 in 1. We get L is 2. Substitute m is 2 in 1. L is equal to minus 6. So now we found out the constants. Now I am happy that I can say what are the separate equations. Therefore the separate equations are 3x minus 4y plus L was written. In place of L you put 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Other separate equation is 3x minus 4y plus m is there. So m value here is minus 6. So I am using this set of values. Even you can use these two. Both are same only. Minus 6 equal to 0. Hope you will understand. From where we are getting the separate equations, just see this step. This we have written previously, that this entire equation is written like this. Now we found out L and M. Just substituting L and M, we will get the separate equation. That is this. Using this line only, I am writing this answer. That is this answer. So in place of L, use 2. In place of M, use minus 6. Or otherwise, in place of m use 2, in place of l use minus 6. Both will be same, but take any one set, either this or this. You should not take l is 2 and m is 2. That will be wrong. If l is 2, m should be minus 6. If l is minus 6, m is 2. So you will get a separate equations like this. Now if you see, definitely these two are parallel because 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y. Only the constant differs 2, they are minus 6. So a value is 3. B value is minus 4, C1 is 2, C2 is minus 6. What is distance formula? Modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of A square plus B square. Substitute the values. 2, C2 is minus 6, so 2 plus 6 by 9 plus 16, squaring these two. So answer is 8 by 5 because 25 root 5. So 8 by 5 units is nothing but the distance between the parallel lines. So we will see the last problem of this chapter, problem number 41. Prove that the straight lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of this and this are at right angles. So the question is, try to understand the question. Prove that the straight lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of these two are at right angles. So what is the meaning of the question? There are two lines which joining the origin with the point of intersection of these two, and those should be at right angles. That is what we need to prove. We have two straight lines joining the origin. Joining the origin, what is the other point? Other point is nothing but the point of intersection of these two. And those two lines are perpendicular, we need to prove. So what I am going to do is first write this equation, equation number 1. The second equation is written here. Just minus 1 is taken to other side and taken as second equation. Since I need to calculate the point of intersection of these two, I want to solve these two. So how I am solving this, just listen. From the first equation, first I am just putting a bracket here for the first 3 terms, plus the next 2 terms is written in another, nothing wrong in it, because when we remove the bracket, once again the same will come. So 2x plus 3y, but in place of just writing put equal to 0, I am putting into 1 equal to 0. Again into 1 means the same 2x plus 3y will come. But what I am going to do is, in place of this 1, I am going to use this formula, that is second equation. Hope you will understand. I will explain it once again. The first equation is rearranged like this. Second bracket is written, 1 is written equal to 0. This is written, in place of 1 I am writing 3x minus 2y. Now just multiply these two, 2x into 3x. First 3 terms are written as it is. 2x into 3x, 6x square. 2x into minus 2y minus 4xy, 9xy. multiplying, you will get this. Now simplifying this, 3x square plus 6x square, 9x square, 5xy plus 9xy, 14xy minus 4xy, 10xy, minus 3y square minus 6y square minus 9y square is equal to 0. So we are getting an equation like this. We need to prove that they are at right angles, but we need not do anything by simply seeing this equation. Now I can easily say a plus b. What is a? Coefficient of x square, 9. B means coefficient of y square, minus 9. So when I add these two, answer becomes what? 0. So since a plus b is 0, I am happy saying that the pair of straight lines, the two lines, are at right angles. So what we asked to prove, without doing anything, by simply getting the equation, we can able to prove that the pair of straight lines are at right angles. So with this, we are completing chapter number 6. Complete your classworks properly. I want to mention that you are going to write your first term examination shortly. The portions are whatever we have completed, those are the portions. Even I am going to give you revision problems shortly, so you follow it strictly. Whatever problems are given to you as a revision sums, you should first learn it, revise it properly, keep it at your fingertips, those problems, and have a separate notebook to write those problems neatly. So you should put a separate notebook for revision. In that, you should write, not only write, what are all the things that you are writing there, you should know at any time. If any question is asked from the revision sums, you should be able to do it at any time. In such a way, you have to prepare those sums. Keep it in your mind. Revision problems, you have to put a separate notebook for writing revision problems. Keep a classwork separately. Classwork sums also you start revising. Revision sums, give it more importance and learn it and keep it at your fingertips. Thank you, children.